Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok Kardashian salad, so let's get started with the video. In a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, add a cleaned and chopped head of lettuce, half a can of chickpeas, half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and as much salami as you'd like. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, you can go ahead and plate it up. Top your salad with Parmesan cheese and pepper, and then you are all finished. And this is the finished result. This salad was so good, and it was super easy to make. It's a great light and healthy salad. I totally recommend you guys give it a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!